Curtie Cool. Now, I tell the story, my lifetime story. The king is back again, telling his true story, yo. Once upon a time, there was a baby scammer, yo, out there scamming fathers, yo, taking the kids, running and hiding out. And Curtie Cool had to put this little old dog adopted grandma in the little old spotlight, yo, and keep on putting that ugliness out of the spotlight. I mean, this cold-blooded woman thought that she could dog out the king, yo. Curtie Cool is out here telling the truth, nothing but the truth. So help me God about my true story, baby. Well. We got a crazy adopted grandma, y'all, who does nothing but just mess people around. I'll be back. Just let me get a few things together and Curtie Cool will be back. I mean, life is beautiful out here, y'all. King Curtie Cool. I was sitting here thinking, way back about 16 years ago, King Curtie Cool, yo. Now I had to expose a raggedy grandma, yeah. That woman is so raggedy. I caught this grandma, y'all, in a whole bunch of lies with that raggedy lifestyle, y'all. I had to put this crazy adopted grandma, y'all, back into the Jack in the Box, y'all. Y'all hold that thought. Let King Curtie Cool. Put this raggedy grandma back in the spotlight. Now, do you know the consequences of messing over Curtie Cool? Do you know that you will get exposed? Do you have any idea what happens when you try to mess over Curtie Cool? The king? Curtie Cool put you back into your big mama drawers, Patricia Robinson, and keep on exposing you because I am what? I am what? The king of exposing. I expose all those raggedy ways, all that scheming, all that scamming, all that abusing, all that messing over people. Oh yeah, the king. Who is the king? I am the king of exposing, baby. I am King Curtie Cool, the exposer, baby. That's right. That's what I said. I exposed this grandma, yo. Now, she keeps on running and hiding with her big mama drawers down. Curtie Cool just keep on coming back, putting her in the spotlight and exposing this narcissist. You know what I mean? You got a one and only crazy adopted grandma, yo, who thought that she could get away clean on King Curtie Cool. But Curtie Cool put her little raggedy lifestyle back into the Jack in the Box with her big raggedy lifestyle in her big mama raggedy drawers. I mean, I had to expose this woman worldwide, y'all. I had to expose her worldwide. King Curtie Cool had to expose the Wicked Witch worldwide. That is King Curtie Cool. Now, what do they say about those kind of people who run and hide out? Scam child support, abuse the system, baby, run and hide out. You collecting benefits all over the place. I'm talking about this Patricia Robinson. What? I'm talking about this wicked witch, the king, baby. Had to put her back into her little raggedy Jack in the Box big mama drawers and expose her all over again. Well. Curtie Cool has got hip and tuned in to the game to keep exposing the baby mama drama scammer. Well, now, the king is out here, keep on telling his true story. I mean, you could never give a person enough exposure. I mean, I've been exposing this wicked witch, let's see, 16 and a half years, and she still want me to expose her some more with her big mama drawers down. The king, the wicked witch. Well, we all know that this Patricia Robinson has got a serious problem with messing over fathers and claiming something that does not belong to her. I mean, you can run and hide out all day long, baby, but Curtie Cool keep on exposing 24/7, baby. You thought you was on your way coming down the stairways from heaven when that crazy old grandma, y'all, was sneaking down the stairways when Curtie Cool spent the night at his baby's mama house, and grandma thought she was walking down the stairways to heaven to try to ease up on Curtie Cool, baby. Nobody ease up on Curtie Cool, baby. I put that scammer mama, grandmama scammer in the spotlight, y'all. She could not take it to be rejected. Now, the baby mama scammer, she just could not accept the fact, this Patricia Robinson, that Curtie Cool rejected the scammer, y'all. That scammer, y'all, stole my baby and ran the head out and was playing the victim role, y'all. Mess up all them peoples in the house, y'all. Mess them all up. All them peoples was acting like wild dogs, y'all. Wild dogs, you know. I mean, they was acting wild, man. A fake pastor, y'all. I thought that boy was losing his mind. I was saying to myself, that boy should be preaching the word of God, and he up here looking like Scooby-Doo. I was like, what the hell? A Scooby-Doo pastor? What you say? And that crazy old Foster, Amanda Rose Lee, y'all just bust up into the room, y'all, running her motor mouth, talking 100 miles an hour. Put him in, yeah. I don't like him. She couldn't even hardly talk correct. I don't like him. Put the baby there. Yeah. Mama get it. Put the baby. I was like, yo, know who you guys are dealing with? You guys are dealing with King Curtis Cool. And we got all these crazy people surrounding Curtis Cool. The whole family is trying to mess over Curtis Cool, yo. So I just kind of brushed it off, baby, and some crazy old, baby, crazy old. But I put that whole raggedy family, yo, back into their big mama drawers and just threw them back into their little old jack in the box, because I would keep on exposing. They won't come clean. Curtis Cool will be clean like Mr. Clean and get smooth and clean and never be mean. Just keep on bringing in the greens. That's what I said, baby, because Curtis Cool is back on this little scene once again. Well. What we got here? Now, life is supposed to be beautiful with peace and happiness, y'all. I mean, I'm so grateful for my life, y'all. But it's narcissists, grandmothers out here. That narcissist, Grandma Patricia Robinson, y'all. I keep on exposing this woman, y'all, because King Curtis Cool keep on exposing the wicked witch, because it is what it is. This woman is a wicked witch. Anytime you mess up everybody just to collect a SSI check, it's really something wrong with you mentally. Grandma has got a mentally ill problem, running and hiding with a man, kid, his daughter, and scamming everybody, and living in the same home with the baby mother and dogging her out at the same time. And King Curtis Cool has to expose them all. That's what I said. Now, wicked grandma caused King Curtis Cool to expose the whole family, y'all, behind the wicked witch BS. So she won't come back to the clean, y'all. She won't come back to the real. So I continue on what I do and just keep on exposing this ugliness. Shut up. That's what I said. I keep on exposing the ugliness. Well. She caused that on her own, y'all. That ugly woman caused that on her own, y'all. Trying to put all that ugliness on Curtis Cool, y'all. That ugly woman was trying to put all that ugliness on Curtis Cool. But King Curtis Cool caught her in the act. Do you know who I am, Patricia Robinson? Do you know who I am? King, the King, King Curtis Cool. That's what I said, baby. King Curtis Cool, King Curtis Cool. You cannot and you will not mess over King Curtis Cool. I mean, I'm out here. I represent and I do all the right things out here in my life, but you cannot break King Curtis Cool down. I just simply keep exposing the Wicked Witch and keep on putting her into the spotlight, because this is what she wants. She's begging Curtis Cool to keep on exposing her. I'm talking about this wicked Patricia Robinson. She is begging Curtis Cool to keep on exposing the Wicked Witch. Keep on exposing the ugliness. Now that's a damn shame. I gotta keep my eyes on you. I gotta keep my eyes on that ugliness. I gotta keep my eyes on you. I don't know what that woman is up to next, y'all. That Wicked Witch, y'all. God dang. Well, let King Curtis Cool go ahead and shut this little thing down. I got things to do and places to go. Oh, well, back to the castle. I don't want no hassle. So y'all can just pull it together. If you don't pull it together, well, don't worry about it, because Curtis Cool is going to stay smooth and cool as always. Shout out to all the beautiful people out there who is tuning in to Curtis Cool. Y'all be sure to subscribe and hit the bell, y'all. Y'all support Curtis Cool channel. I mean, King Curtis Cool is just out here telling his honest to God true story. I'm putting it out here just the way it happened. So you guys be good in the neighborhood. Curtis, that is Curtis Cool. You see, this Patricia Robinson messed over Curtis Cool throughout all those years and would not do the right thing when Curtis Cool was only standing up to be a father. You know what I mean? And then she just did not give a damn what she did to my daughter, to me. I guess that crazy baby mother, she just don't care. She just like her narcissist adopted mother. And all them other people in that home, y'all, they dog Curtis Cool out for no reason, because he was a father to his own kid. But my story will be heard. My story will continue on to be out there, y'all, because I strive to keep putting it out there. I will continue on telling my true story to the world. I will keep on exposing and telling my story all around the world. It is what it is. Some people has got to learn the hard way. You continue on doing all those crazy things out here to people, but you will get exposed by King Curtis Cool. King Curtis Cool, baby. Anyway, I'm gonna end this little show. Y'all be good in the neighborhood. King, the King. That is King Curtis Cool, baby. I'll see you guys in the next episode. Y'all be good now. King. That is King Curtis Cool. I'm gonna keep on exposing that ugliness. The ugliness. The ugliness. I'ma keep on exposing that raggedness. That raggedy adopted grandma. That's what I said. I mean, that's a crazy woman. That's a crazy grandma, y'all. I'm not lying. That woman, that is a crazy ass grandma. She was screaming and hollering at me to put my own baby stroller down that I bought with my money. Put the baby stroller down. Put the baby down. Yeah. I'm like, what the hell? Crazy grandma going crazy because CURTIEECOOL was putting together his own baby stroller. I said, yeah, man, that woman, that grandma done really flipped. She wanted control so bad over CURTIEECOOL. Put the baby stroller down. Put the baby. She went from put the baby down to put the baby stroller down. I was like, what the what? That woman telling me to put my own baby stroller down. Patricia Robinson, you don't get it together with that raggedy lifestyle. Curdy just keep on exposing, baby. Well, I'm too cool for this shit. I'm gonna just go ahead on and ease on up out of here, baby. And continue on to be smooth and cool. And keep telling my true story. I'll see you guys in the next episode. King CURTIEECOOL. Okay, bye.